Hi Charlotte and Mary, it's Brandon with a quick video about menu structure and some recommendations. One of the things that we looked at, Lori and I, the other day is this faculty and staff courses and program links menu on the left. Right now it's pretty short. I wanted to just make sure you were aware of a couple things about how to rearrange the menu. To rearrange items in a menu, you go to Site Building, Menus, and here's that page. It lists all the menus, and the one I want to rearrange is this one, Faculty and Staff Course and Program Links. And there's a couple things. This will list all the menu items. Lori and I started to nest them so that they could be grouped a little bit. And I don't know if you saw how that works, so I want to show you now that if you mouse over, you get this little funny arrow and it says drag to reorder. You can nest things below other things and reorder them by dragging. So we could create lots of levels in this menu, like there's already, see, guidelines below course policy. You can drag things below something and you can indent them to any depth. So if I want to say drag on this guidelines for syllabi and drag it over, I could put it under as another level below that one. And if I wanted to drag this FAQ one over twice, I could put it as another level below guidelines for syllabi. I don't want to do that, so I'll drag them back. Uh-oh, got to drag them back the right number of levels here. There we go. That is one way Lori and I recommend making short names for things and kind of nesting them below each other so you can tell what they are. For example, now that this frequently asked questions page is nested below the policy for graduate concentrations, we're wondering if now we can shorten this title to just say frequently asked questions rather than having to have a longer title, because you already know if it's nested below that when you see it on the menu that must be what it's about. A lot of the page titles are very long, and we're hoping that's a strategy that could be used to shorten them. So if they're nested below a policy, you know they refer to that policy or that topic. Anyway, I wanted to show you that menu editing trick, and there's one more fun trick about it. Right now you'll see that because of the nesting, the only thing we see on the menu is called Courses and Programs Index Page. If you want to see the next level of items below that, on the menu editing page, you can click the expanded checkbox over here to say that you want that part of the menu to start out expanded when people first view it. So I'm going to click Save, and I'll show you what happens. Aha! Now because I've said that, look, this menu on the left, Faculty and Staff Course and Program Links, got very long. It's expanded with all these items because we said that menu should open and some of the levels below it are opened up. Now I could go back if I wanted and close some of those other levels. Okay, now I'll click Save again. Now it should only expand one level deep. The top level of things are nested below here are visible, but the level below that are not. So that's another way that we can kind of control the length that people have to see, but when they drill in, they'll still be able to find things. Ah, that didn't have anything below it. Oh, that's not a good example. You have to drill into a sub page in order to see the things below it. So anyway, wanted to make sure you were aware of how those menu editing things worked. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.